ज़्यादा वक्त आपने कहाँ गुजारा, यहाँ या
ज़्यादा वक्त रहने के मामले में?
हाँ,
रहने के मामले में यूएई में वैसे सबसे ज़्यादा वक्त अमेरिका में गुजारा, 2.5 साल।
लेकिन उन 2.5 सालों में और यूएई में कितने साल गुजारे?
यूएई में 5 हो गए।
5 हो गए। फ़र्क आपको किस में ज़्यादा दिखा कि इस 5 सालों में आपको ज़्यादा अच्छी फैसिलिटीज़ मिली हैं या
मुझे यहाँ पसंद है।
यहाँ पसंद है, लेकिन नहीं देखा जाए लोकल लोगों के ऊपर,
लोकल लोग वहाँ अच्छे हैं।
कहाँ पे?
लोग अमेरिका में अच्छे हैं।
हाँ,
मतलब जिस जगह में था वहाँ पे लोग अच्छे थे,
वहाँ के नेशनल
वहाँ के। हाँ, लोकल मतलब फ्रेंडली, काफ़ी फ्रेंडली।
हाँ,
अच्छे लोग।
लेकिन हाँ वो तो है गोरों का। लेकिन यूएई के अरब लोगों के बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है?
अभी तक कोई अच्छा नहीं मिला है।
सही बात है, सबको ये शिकायत की, मैं पता नहीं, जिसको देखो चाहे किसी ने,
गुरूर ज़्यादा है इनको,
गुरूर ज़्यादा है, राइट।
हम्बल कोई अरब मिला नहीं अभी तक।
सही
है इनमें थोड़ी सी हॉस्पिटैलिटी है,
लेकिन वो जो यहाँ के प्योर है,
आपकी खातिरदारी करेंगे वो।
हाँ।
अच्छा है, लेकिन मतलब वो नहीं है कि भाई जो होना चाहिए वो मिसिंग है थोड़ा सा।
अच्छा इरफान, क्या ख्याल है तेरा दुबई के बारे में, यूएई के लोगों के बारे में, और जिस कंट्रीज में तू रह के आया, तो पाकिस्तान भी रह के आया?
मैं यार
और
वैसे बहुत जगहों में रह के आया हूँ, लेकिन जिन जगहों में रह के आया हूँ उनमें मुझे दुबई सबसे बुरी जगह लगी है। और जब यहाँ तक कि मैं दुबई में,
नहीं बिजनेस है, सब कुछ है, लेकिन यहाँ के लोगों के बारे में क्या ख्याल है, जो यहाँ के नेशनल लोग हैं?
यहाँ के नेशनल्स जो हैं वो दूसरे नेशनैलिटीज़ को कुछ समझते नहीं है।
लाइक किस नेशनलिटीज़ को?
लाइक पाकिस्तानीज, इंडियंस,
एशियंस,
दे डोंट कंसिडर देम एनीथिंग, दे आर लाइक ट्रैश टू देम।
तो जैसे कि अब तुझे क्या लगता है कि जैसे तू इमिग्रेशन जाता है, लेबर ऑफिस जाता है,
इमिग्रेशन लेबर ऑफिस में अकॉर्डिंग टू द गवर्नमेंट ओवर हियर locals comes first everywhere. If you are in the labor office, you are in the immigration, you are in the traffic department, anywhere you go, locals come first. After
why?
that, it's their country. What to do?
But the rules and the law is same.
There's no
Should be
rule.
same.
There's no rule. No rules and no regulations for locals. They do what they think is good for them, and the government supports them.
इंसानों में आते हैं.
And the government supports them. Yeah, other peoples are humans, but they don't consider them humans. They only consider the locals and the Arab nationalities like Saudis, Kuwaitis. They consider them as humans. Other nationalities, they are like sheeps for them. They only think about themselves. They only think about Arabs. Only Arabs are
Like
the
जैसे
first
कि अब
priority.
हम यहाँ पे बिजनेस खोलते हैं, ये वो, तो must be one sponsor should be there like a local.
See, this is the main thing. You should have a local sponsor. Nowadays, they have started the rule that there should be a local employed in your firm. If you have your own business, you should have locals over there employed with you.
Yeah,
And you know that locals, they won't work on a salary like Indians and Pakistanis do.
But not most of them, or maybe some of them like that.
All of them are the same. The smallest, the poorest of all of the local, he also considers himself higher to you. More like he thinks of himself as he's more important than you are.
My name is Furu. I'm from Iran.
I'm Mehreen Alam. I'm from Bangladesh.
My name is Bosco. I'm an Sri Lankan.
I'm Shifa Munir. I'm an Indian.
The first thing which it comes to my mind when I hear UAE is money and then relaxation, tourism.
That it has been the country where I was born. You can say the country where I was born.
Many cultures together, many nationalities together.
UAE nationalities.
There are good UAE nationals, but there are few which are really very annoying and disturbing.
Some of them are quite helpful, and some of them have loads of attitude. And
As I stay in Mamzar area, and I've just seen this UAE national just racing around and making a lot of noise, just honking around.
I mean, the young generation in UAE has been spoiled a lot regarding the money factor.
Money has come to them very easily, so of course they don't know the value of the money, and that's why they spoiled like that. They don't work hard, and they don't know how the money had come to them. And usually girls,
They're really decent, nice. Sometimes not.
because they just have fun with their friends and shocking. Boys,
Love to show off, and they love to always compare themselves with the other youngsters to look more cooler, to wear branded things, and to have the most happening cell phones, happening ringing tones, happening car. So the main role in this, I guess, it's all about competition. So, well, yeah, it has been spoiled.
I would say yes, that's true.
Well, the reasons behind the UAE people being placed in a high position in some organizations are totally unfair.
It's in a way that it's a rule of UAE to boost the young generation, just to bring them forward.
it is wrong.
It's kind of unfair for us. If they are not that talented and they get a double salary, it's of course kind of unfair.
I know they are the nationality of this country, but we should be, the other people should be also given a chance. The other cultural people should be also given a chance. So it should be equal instead of having discrimination between the nation.
I want to advise them that all of us, we are human, and one day we will die, and we will be in one earth. So
Stop showing attitude. Be okay with us. What have we done?
Please stop the attitude way, because everything reflects your family manners.
Some of them have loads of attitude.
Good people.
كان وافد دورات وشيبة وحتى لو بيموت ما بتخلونه.
This is wrong.
know the value of the money, and
If they are rich, they will place in a high position.
The waste of money is a lot in them.
We need UAE national in those positions.
Nice people, good people, great culture. Sand just got a lot of blessing, man.